It is very often wrongly said that after the disastrous defeat of Varus, when he was treacherously betrayed by Arminius and his Germanic soldiers, Rome gave up its ambitions to make Germania Magna a Roman province. But that is actually completely wrong, because many forget that Germanicus successfully defeated Arminius and his Germanic tribes in several campaigns that lasted from AD 14 to 16, so only some years after the Battle of Teutoburg Forest. In 3 campaigns, Germanicus ventured forth deep into Germania with 8 legions, in order to avenge Varus and to restore Roman prestige and to incite fear into the Germanic tribes. And fascinatingly, it worked. He decisively defeated Arminius, his Cherusci tribe, and several other Germanic tribes in Germania. But Germanicus had acted too independently from the Emperor Tiberius, who deemed Germania a province not worthy of conquering. Thus, Tiberius, growing jealous of Germanicus' growing fame and popularity for his victories, recalled him to Rome before Germanicus could finish the conquest. So it was Tiberius who decided against making Germania a province. This was short-sighted of Tiberius, because having Germania as a province and making the Germanic tribes loyal subjects of Rome would sure have come in very handy 400 years later in the time of the Great Migrations, and would have changed the course of the entire world history